Have you ever wondered how ordinary clay transforms into strong bricks that support massive structures? The process begins with clay, a natural material taken from the earth. Workers carefully collect and prepare the clay by removing stones and impurities before mixing it with water. To make strong bricks, the clay must be mixed thoroughly. Water is added, and the clay is kneaded until it becomes smooth, soft, and ready for shaping. Next comes molding. The prepared clay is pressed into brick molds to create the familiar rectangular shape used in construction. The newly shaped bricks are delicate and wet. Workers carefully arrange them in rows for natural drying. The bricks are dried under the sun for several days. This removes moisture and prevents cracking during firing. Once dried, the bricks are carefully stacked inside kilns, giant ovens designed to bake the bricks at extremely high temperatures. Inside the kiln, intense heat transforms soft clay into hard, durable bricks capable of lasting for decades. After firing, the bricks are cooled slowly and checked carefully to ensure strength, shape, and durability. The finished bricks are transported to construction sites where they become the foundation of homes, schools, roads, and buildings. Brick by brick, workers build the structures that shape our communities and daily lives. From simple clay beneath our feet to the buildings around us, brickmaking is a story of hard work, craftsmanship, and human progress. So the next time you see a building, remember the incredible journey hidden inside every single brick.